Dickhead. He was saying something there.
Yeah, what? Spark plug. After a 5-hour journey. Go on, lad. He's got it, he'll be happy with that. Oh no! I stayed in third all the way. So in case you haven't noticed, we are at BROXBURN Bing. Yes, some might say Chandler Bing. And it's bloody windy. Yes, boy, that is so good. Teddy's singing on the better. The braking bumps are way bigger than last year at the bottom. Oh my god, it looks so good. Alright Kev, you alright Bob? Stokes, let's go. Roses on it. Nice singing. How's that?
Better when you get going, isn't it?
It goes, doesn't it, if you keep it on? Yes! The wind is absolutely brutal today. We must have picked the windiest day ever to come to Scotland. Switchbacks. Well, we're here at the Bing and Boz has come and brought a top knot, standard. You said melts, yeah. Cookies in. Yes, Bozza, well done, lad. Holy hell, I thought I was going to be right in his way then. Sorry, Bozza. You did well there. I was trying to just keep out your way. I'm going up this left one.
The left? Did you do that one first?
I haven't been up any yet.
Fuck it then, mint third gear ones then.
You did say on way here, Tommy, you didn't want to be known as the old man of the group and to let you know if you were becoming that way.
I am. Tell you what's happened, he's absolutely pulled his pants. See him down, pulled his pants. Yes, Paul.
That's second or third?
He hasn't changed that gearing, has he?
He hasn't, I haven't referred on that.
Second, flat out. Second, flat out, Tomo. All it's at stop. Come on then, because I've got to change a battery. Go on, Pidge. We're rooting for you. Go on, lad. We want him up to keep his confidence up. He's going a bit bit squiggly. Oh no! Oh no! Teddy thinks it's brilliant. Boz is going to do an overtake on him. Stucks is coming down on top of him. Just put some pressure on. Oh, Bozza! I mean, none of this is really good for GoPro because it's too far away.
I bet they look tiny, don't they, on there?
They all look like Teddy.
What does Teddy look like then?
Tyrion.
How many times have we said third gear to him?
Did he go
What
second?
gear was he in?
To be honest, I might have told him second at the last minute. Uh-oh, Teddy's going to do a move on him. No, Teddy, leave him! Teddy, no, he's going to go around him.
Go around him!
He surely isn't going to try and go around him.
No.
He is! What an idiot!
Fuck it, go on, fuck it!
Oh no! That's definitely...
He's got to go straight back and do it now. He's got to.
Oh, that's painful. Poor pigeon. Oh. We'll try and get an interview with a pigeon here, but he's going to be humbled. Oh no, he's not looking good. Get it! Will he go straight back in for a Boz? Straight in! Oh, the pigeon's just started up. This is looking good for round 2. Don't block the pidge. Let the pigeon through! Oh, come on!
Oh my God. What gear were you in?
Try third.
Go third. Definitely. Go throttle.
Come on, pitch, we're rooting for... Oh no, Teddy's going to follow him up. It's got that easy. Done it. Yes, lad. Oh, he's even whipped it at the top. Grabbed us like an handful of throw. What was that? Dylan's in. Fully sponsored by Ride Nutrition. Go on, lad. It just needed a beater at the top. Oh no, he ain't gonna make it, is he? I'm here. Oh, he's done it! Yes, dude! Pigeon is on a descent! Oh, look at him with them brand new tyres on. Oh, you won't believe how strong that wind is. Yes, boss! He just ran out of space. Eh?
Only one way you must.
Oh, brilliant. Let's get Teddy and Tomo down here.
Quite a struggle to go up here.
Hey?
Tomo's got a struggle to go up here.
Yeah, what we're going to do? It's alright, because Gubbins loves riding the pigeon up.
Here it comes, steady power!
Oh dear. Oh! On board. Not having too much weight on board, but look at the views from here. Sick.
Off-road bridge.
Off-road bridge, I've been over that.
The red one's a rail bridge, that's over 100 to go.
Sorry, I had to interrupt the tour guide information to get Stuxy on camera. How many goes is Kev having? Got it this time. Yes, Buzzer! Here we go. The famous Pidge. Please, Pidge.
No getting it at that speed.
Hold it wide open! Hold it wide open! He ain't going back down at that, is he?
Teddy's there to help him, look.
Go on, Teddy, help him up. Teddy, give him a pull. Oh no, it's painful. Oh, bumming. And a roosting. Oh, that's a painful end for pigeon. We just wanted to hold hands. Your helmet's gone down. Your helmet's gone down. Teddy. Your helmet. There's one there. Oh no, Teddy.
How many girls are there?
See you later.
Cheers lads, love you all.
Oh no. You might as well take your bike. Is that because he rides a 4-stroke?
Ah, yeah.
Teddy's helmet seemed to have blown down this bank, and now he's in with a spare helmet on his arm. Yes, Kev! How many tyres is that worth, Ted? Good group of lads these, north of the border Enduro. Go follow them on Instagram and YouTube. I'll go last. Your bike doesn't even get dirty. We like that. We're not used to that. Smoke coming out the odd 200. Oh, he's got a lot. He's got a wobble on. No, he's failed. Then he failed. Oh, grabs in. They're all coming at him. Well done. Go on, lad. Oh. Well, we're here, aren't we? Little Teddy melts in again. Kind of open fail. The sewing machine. Oh, he's heading for the Pidge. Stuxley dropped a gear. Well done. What are you two talking about?
Gopro.
Let's get it down, football! Lovely lad! Oh. It's been this windy?
No, that's windy. It blew me off my bike 5 minutes ago.
Oh, lovely gummy! Yes, kid. Alright, bruv.
Yeah?
Stuxy's off for it, go on lad. Oh, that's good, Stuxy. Lovely. Feet up, Stuxy feet up. Ooh, full motocross style. What are you doing, Kay?
Feet them in there. Cable tie.
That's shit, isn't it? We're just having a quick game of follow me leader here, but it looks of it. I like it though. Whoa! Rab's getting it loose. Oh yeah, look at this. Me like. A bit too close to Teddy. Foot on for some braking, fully locked. I'm a bit more of an on-off kind of thing with my brake rather than fully locked. Lovely. No! North of the border. Go on, Pidge. Funny looking technique, but it's worked. Oh, it's a treat. Yep. Oh, fuck. Nearly. Oh dear. This is not good. Oh, this is not good. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the best thing I've seen the pigeon do. How did he do that? Yes, boss, you got that. He's not got that. I've done him on the hill. He won't be happy about that. Yes, lads, I like it. You happy with that one?
Yeah.
You left him?
Yeah, he was stuck at the top, but I thought he'd have got going by now.
Yeah, well, that's what we do though, isn't it? Look at that beautiful lake and that.
Oh! 2-0 to Teddy, I'm afraid. Like and subscribe.
And then Bosch and hit the camera.
Woo!
No, Bosch.
Bosch!
Oh my god. We're going to have to redo that in a bit. Look at this lake. This is sick. Just riding with different people, different places. Makes me feel good. I didn't get any air from that. 20th. Oh, look at the roost coming off the pitch.
He could have jumped 2 of us then.
Really?
Yeah.
Do it again, I'll film from here.
You get kicked on this one.
Woohoo! Yes, buzzer! We might have to reverse. Tomo getting a little bit of flight time.
Green's the goal.
Yeah, you need to ride it on green more. That didn't count. You got off the top. Balls, go on lads! Yes! Go on lads, send it! Send it! Send it! Go on lads! Send it! Send it! Send it! Send it now!
Suck. That's it lads, the pull please.
Yeah? Send it! Send it! Send it up! Send it up! Yes lads, right, that's it for BROXBURN.
What a day.
Bing!
The Scottish land.
Thanks Northern Border Enduro, and we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace out. Bosh!